He's not going to pay it direct to them. So he's going to have over 2 months to save his money, right?
That sounds good. That's what we were gonna ask for if you had ordered it today. You're gonna have 60 days.
Good. So he'll be able to save his money. Make sure you do that, okay? All right, and that's the way we'll handle it. Thank you very much. Thanks for coming. Thanks, Mr. Youngs.
Today, we're stepping inside a courtroom filled with tension, accountability, and real consequences. We've got Mr. Wilson facing arraignment, Miss Hunter Smith navigating the high-stakes world of sobriety court, and Mr. Boyd's property case stretching over decades. Stay tuned as we uncover shocking delays, strict judicial warnings, and emotional courtroom exchanges you won't believe. Who will get a second chance, and who is staring down jail time? Let's break it down.
You bet, you bet.
197 on behalf of Mr. Wilson.
Sir, your name?
Reginald Steve Wilson Jr.
All right, so today's the date scheduled for arraignment and pretrial. For purposes of arraignment,
Your Honor, my client will stand with you with formal reading.
not guilty, please enter. Does he have any priors?
He does, Your Honor, a couple of years ago in this court, and I was going to ask if I could possibly get a sobriety court checklist packet.
Absolutely. Be glad to have him.
I can also let you know he did contact the guidance center yesterday. He's got a schedule today to either set up or do a screen.
It was a 199 and he just had one. What was the other one?
I do not recall.
Look, I got to have him on a sober link,
I
okay?
understand, Your Honor.
So I'm going to give you a $2,500 personal bond, sir. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate any law or ordinance. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no marijuana, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. You're to attend AA at least 3 times a week, okay? And your defendant to be on SoberLink device by the end of the day. So I'm just telling you, according to how I've handled this, if you have 2 within 4 years and you have somewhere around a 2.0, I mean, you got a 199. Unless you get into sobriety court, you're likely to do a few days, okay? I think it would be best for you. Now, I'm not prejudging everything here. I don't even want you to talk about the case. You're still not convicted. You might never be convicted. You're presumed innocent, but I do want you to understand that, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have to be on a sober link by the end of the day. No alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. AA, NA 3 times a week. We're handing you the form. You have to go in person. Every time you come to court, you have to bring the form with you. What do you have for me, Heather? Did you present a discovery order by chance? Do I have it here?
I know I did not.
Okay, that's all right. I mean, whatever you guys want.
That's shooting though.
Good enough. Pretrial will be
How far out do you want to go for this one? If we're going to
2
do
weeks.
sobriety court, you just want to do 2 weeks still? Okay, we can do January 28th.
I'm out of the state that week.
okay. The only thing is with sobriety court, I want it, if we're going to do what I want, all statistics tell us the sooner we get them in, the better. But I'll, do you have another date a week later? We don't want to stop Mr. Sparrow from going on vacation.
I appreciate that.
I hope you're going somewhere warm.
Phoenix, very.
Very. Do I have something the following week, Heather, with Brownstown?
Brownstown's in the building for Judge Heston on the 4th.
Okay, so I don't have Brownstown till the 11th?
Correct, Judge.
We'll do the 11th at 8:30. Is that good with you?
Very good, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You go down the hall, get your notice, sir, and then I want you to meet with probation. I'm entering a plea of denial and a refused PBT, okay?
Thank you. Your Honor.
Thank you all.
Did you have a packet that I could get today?
Yeah, you can go over to probation, and I'd suggest you talk to the sobriety court probation officer,
Very good.
okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Ebonique Allen Hunter Smith, 22WA29943 A and B. All right, good morning, Mr. Dubin. Your name?
Good morning, Your Honor, to you and your staff, Attorney Maxwell Dubin, P number 86012, on behalf of Ms. Hunter, who appears via Zoom.
Ms. Hunter Smith, your name?
I'm Ebony Connor Smith.
Ms. Wilds?
Elizabeth West, Your Honor.
So I felt compelled to bring you in here today, Mr. Dubin. My apologies.
No, I'm actually coming to see you in person right after the Zoom, so I'll be there in person.
Okay, so I want to clarify something. This is not personal, Ms. Hunter Smith. I told you that if you didn't get into sobriety court, based on your record, based on everything that's happened, that you were going to do some time.
Okay.
But now I'm told that you're asking the probation director or saying, listen, so I'm definitely not doing time. The judge told me I wasn't doing time if I get into sobriety court. I am not, I want to be clear with something. I am not guaranteeing anything. I want to be clear with it. Okay?
Okay.
So if that changes your mind, fine, we can set this for sentencing. I didn't say that I was sending you to jail if you get into sobriety court. I did say, let me clarify. I'm not making any promises. The only promise I'm making is if you don't get in the program, you're going to jail. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm very reasonable with people that show me that a willingness to get into sobriety court for the right reasons. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's not, that doesn't include for a restricted license. That doesn't include people that are getting in the program just because they don't want to go to jail. Because you know what? I've been doing this a long time, this job in sobriety court. And most of the people that get into it for the wrong reason, that is restricted license or not to go to jail, they don't make it. So I just want to clarify, I am not making promises of any kind here. The only promise I am making is that if you don't get into sobriety court, you will do time. Am I reasonable? Call around, ask around. Mr. Dubin, you can call around and ask around with the sobriety court what I do. I feel really good about what I do because I want to help her, but I don't want her tormenting and I'm not saying she was tormented.
I understand. I think my client understands it's figure of speech, Your Honor.
Okay. I don't want her bothering getting the probation director here to say she's not the judge. She's got nothing to do with this. I'm sure she goes out of here and disagrees with some of the things I do. It's okay. Everybody has the right to disagree with me. It's all right. I'm okay. I got a thick skin. But I just want Ms. Hunter Smith to understand there are no guarantees. And if you're doing it just for me, that is, I'm going to do sobriety court to appease the judge and I'm going to hate it for 2 years. Honestly and truly, it's not worth it because you won't come out better. I told you you're going to like me at the end if you, and I didn't say this. You will only like me at the end if you're doing this for the right reasons. If you're not, don't bother. It's a long stretch. I'm not going to lie to you. It's a long stretch. You're looking at 2 years of probation and strenuous requirements. But the purpose here isn't to force or intimidate somebody into doing sobriety court. It is to help people alleviate what I perceive to be their problems. Period. So I just want to put that on the record. There's nothing else to say. So far, she's doing good.
She is, Judge. I just met with her yesterday. She's scheduled to meet with Agera January 15th. She provided her 12-step meetings. I think we had a great conversation. And I think she is starting to understand a little bit more about the program and the process.
I'm going to be fair with you, ma'am. I'm not an ogre up here, man. I'd want to go in front of me if I got in trouble. That's all.
Your Honor, if I might add, my client, Ms. Smith, she's completely capable. She really does. She's got a great head on her shoulders. I think she just needs the correct guidance, and that's it. And understand.
She's a smart lady. I can tell by talking to her.
Mhm.
I really can. I want to get her doing better than she even can imagine at this point. And I don't know what she does for a living. I don't remember, but that's it. That's all I have to say. You guys have a great day, unless either one of you have a question, Mr. Dubin.
No, I will see you. I'm going to head to the court right now. I have an arraignment with you at 10, so I'll see you in a little bit.
Have a good day. Good luck, ma'am. Thank you. Priority
Thank you.
Waste, thank you. Priority Waste LLC, 25B150019 A and B. And don't I?
Yes, that's all we have right now, Judge.
Got to find somebody today. Your name, ma'am? So you have the right to an attorney. You're charged with driving on a suspended.
Yes.
If you would like an attorney, I'm going to provide you with one right now at public expense. Would you like an attorney?
No.
So you waive your right to a lawyer? I'm gonna go ahead and arraign you then, and then I'll send you to the prosecutor and you can speak to the prosecutor, okay? It is alleged that on December 11 of 25 that you were operating a motor vehicle with a suspended license in Brownstown Township on Sibley near Dix at 9:12 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable by up to $500 in fines, 93 days jail costs, or all those 2 points. Do you understand that? And did you sign, read, and understand an advice of rights form today? If you plead guilty at any time, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we will not have a trial of any kind. You understand that? You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yep.
Men or not guilty plea, and this indicates you stand mute. I'm going to give you a $500 personal bond, and here are your bond conditions. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You can go out in the hallway. My court officer is going to bring the file to the prosecutor, and then as soon as she's able to see you, she'll call you in, okay? All right, good luck. Do I have Mr. Boyd's file?
City Hall.
Are you, Carter, your name?
Caitlin Foley Carter, from Brosnan Township.
Mr. Bo,
Robert Thomas Boyd.
so you're here for a review hearing, and you have the right to an attorney. If you would like an attorney, I'm going to give you one now.
No, thank you.
You waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me that there's been substantial progress on the property. I'm talking to the prosecutor.
Okay.
I would define it as substantial, Your Honor. I did have a department, somebody took photos from the street on Thursday. It shows the boat, the inoperable vehicle, the trailers. He got a large delivery of wood that is now in front of the property. There's junk along the side. I do have those photos if you want to take a look at it. I do see that the trailer in the back of the property is full. Mr. Boyd did say that it was full. It just needs to be cycled out and he needs to keep working on it. He also has not obtained a demolition permit yet for that dangerous building back in the back.
I don't know what to do with you.
I don't know how long it's good for, so I'm waiting and, I can't get the trailer out because the guy went up deer hunting and then he's up north with his boss working on.
Whose trailer is that?
Cabin.
Whose trailer is
So he's coming
that?
back,
Whose trailer is that?
The dumpster.
yeah.
Wait a minute. So it's being used as a dumpster, the trailer is?
The trailer is a dumpster.
Okay.
There's a large dumpster, you can see in some of the photos. from
Yes.
that is full. There's still all the trailers being used as storage essentially though on the property.
What are you doing with the boat?
Trying to sell it. Got a for sale sign on, got it out by the road.
How long you had that up for sale?
Well, it's the middle of winter and
No, I didn't ask you that. I just want to know, can I have
Oh.
another page, second page to a register of actions?
since,
I think it's been about September or October, you know.
All right, talk to me, not to her.
No,
I'm
it's
just-
in November when we put it out there.
I mean, it does look a little better. I'll give you that. But you still got to get the boat out and you got to get the
Yeah,
garage torn down.
I've had the flu since Christmas.
What's in the trailer?
I believe that Mr. Boyd has taken property out of the garage and that's what's in the dumpster.
Well, no, but there's a trailer. Is this not a trailer? This black, it looks like a black trailer to me.
Yeah, there's about 2 or 3 trailers on the property. They're just full of, excuse my language, junk. So those need to go. You can't use storage like that on the property.
When are you gonna get rid of the junk in the trailer?
A lot of it isn't junk.
What's in the trailer?
Tools. I gotta put my, rototiller in there. My lawnmower in there.
Tools,
Yeah,
lawnmower?
Yeah.
What else?
Um,
Is it filled up?
no,
What else do you have in the trailer?
no, I got some kitchen cabinets that I gotta put up,
You're gonna put them where?
huh,
Where are you gonna put them?
in the kitchen.
How long have you had the cabinets in the trailer?
November, December,
Where'd you get the cabinets?
my daughter. She,
What?
remodeled her kitchen. And, they're all handmade cabinets. They were too dark. She wants white.
Who's gonna take the dumpster out of there and take it to the dump?
The man who owns it. I rented it. $400 a shot.
Is it filled up yet?
Yeah, it's good.
When's he coming? When's he gonna come get that?
I'm gonna call him today, see if he's back in town.
What about the other inoperable vehicles?
The inoperable vehicle, got a broken shock. I gotta put it into
Is that, these are the same vehicles been sitting out there?
They are, Your Honor. See with the trailers, those have all been there since we did this,
I don't know what you're gonna make me do, Mr. Boyd. I really,
Well,
Mr. Boyd, come on.
I gotta work on the garage, getting it in. Everything else is secondary.
Well, that's your opinion. That's not my opinion.
We do one thing like that at a time.
Mr. Boyd.
Top.
Mr. Boyd, I'm gonna let the prosecutor remind you how long they've been dealing with this, with your property.
Your Honor, I believe these citations date back to 2001.
So it's only been 25 years,
I didn't know about it.
Mr. Boyd. I don't know why you're not good. I don't know why you're just insisting that I send you to jail. I don't understand it.
I can't do anything, you know.
Mr. Boyd, you're not doing anything out of jail either.
Can't do anything till.
Mr. Boyd, this has been 25 years. 25 years, sir. I was young. I'd like to go back 25 years. This is my early 40s, 25 years ago.
Nobody come and talk to me. Except for, the guy that retired,
What year did he come and talk to you?
just before Rob took over.
What year was that?
Last year, 25.
So you're saying you didn't know anything about this until 24? The township hasn't been bothering you to get this junkyard picked up, sir?
Well, he just come and.
Sir, I'm asking you when your first notice was from the township that you had a blight condition, they wanted things out of there.
Nobody called it a blight condition.
Sir, when did you hear from this township in reference to the condition of your property?
Probably 24.
So you guys are off by 23 years. She thinks it was 01, you think it was 24. That's one big difference. Now, I hear a lot of opposite stories here. Some people call it one, some people call it a million. I hear different stories, but that's quite a disparity. That's 23 years, not 23 days, not 23
That's
weeks.
when I got the letter in the mail. 24.
Would you look on the computer, please, for me? Can you pull up Mr. Boyd's name, please? I like you. I do,
I like you.
but I have a job.
So do I. I gotta get that.
And you're not following orders of the court.
Nothing I could do with being sick.
Mr. Boyd, you've given me every excuse under the sun.
Oh, it's a bad flu.
Well, let me see here. I see Robert Thomas Boyd. Allow inoperable vehicles, 2002. Improper storage, 2003. There's other ones that were set aside under a statute, building code violation 24. So they were dating back to '02. I don't know why they let it go from '03 to 24, if that's what they did, but you've had since April of 25 to get rid of this stuff. And I don't know what to do with you other than just lock you up. Like,
I think if it was,
Mr. Boyd,
2002,
Mr. Boyd, I've had every excuse under the sun from you. I don't know how many times you've been in front of me on this case. I have had every excuse under the sun. You're sick, your boys won't help, they're too busy, you don't have the money, you gotta go to work, it's too warm, it's too cold, it's too this, it's too that. And here I am trying not to send you to jail and knowing when I don't send you to jail that I'm not handling my office appropriately. You know that? That's what I'm doing. I'm not handling, I'm just not following what I should do and what I do. So basically, somehow, some way, I've treated you better than I treat anybody else.
I appreciate it.
Well, no, but I don't want to treat you better. I feel sorry for you. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to reason with you, and you're not taking any reason.
But if
You're just not going to listen to judges. You just don't. I don't know if you think I'm kidding up here.
I'm working on it. I've got 2 trailers full of junk out of there already. 2 dump trailers. They're big.
You got to get the garage done. You got to get the trailers out of there, the dumpsters. You got to get the junk out of the trailer. You got to make sure that your vehicles are operable, not inoperable. Are
Yeah,
they properly plated? No, they're not properly plated either, are they?
yes, they are. And they're insured.
Why did the township wait so long? If they were dealing with this in '02 and '03, what took them 21 years to start?
It wasn't
Hang on,
anything like that.
hang on. And let me talk to her. I was talking to her. I wasn't talking to you. Why did they wait so long?
I do know that he was issued municipal civil infractions that are handled through the township, along with multiple notices.
Are you gonna deny that too?
What?
She just told me that multiple municipal civil infractions, which would not have been filed here, were issued to you many times between '03 and '24. Is that true or is that false?
I had.
True or false? Just give me a straight answer, please. I don't want to have to be a dentist today. I just don't. Is that true or false?
Well, it's not that simple.
Did they send you certain municipal civil infractions or not? It is simple. What's hard about that? It's either yes or it's no.
In 2003, I had 2 cars in my yard.
Mr. Boyd, I'm just asking you a simple question. Between 2003 and 2024, did this township send you municipal civil infraction violations or did they not? In other words, is she lying to me? Is she lying to me?
I wouldn't think so,
Okay, so she did, so they did send you notices, right?
but I have.
Right?
People.
Right or not? Please tell me if I'm right. I'm gonna get agitated if you keep playing with me. Did they send them to you or not?
I don't know.
You don't know?
My ex-wife picked up the mail.
Oh my gosh. You know what I want to do to that? That's what I want to do to that. That's ridiculous.
She didn't like me too much.
Boyd, you got 2 months to get everything taken care of. I'm going to give you one last chance. This is not a threat. This is a promise. I'm going to adjourn the review hearing. You've got to get, you got to do this. This is not a request. This is not a suggestion. I'm not asking you anymore. I'm telling you, this is what you're going to do. Do we understand one another?
Yes, sir.
The last thing I want to do is put you in jail. But I'm going to do it if you don't have the property cleaned up like I told you multiple times. Give me a date in the end of March, Heather.
We could do March 25th, Judge.
March 25th at 8:30 in the morning. You want to take your, did you have something to say?
Just briefly, I did want to remind Mr. Boyd, I know we talked about it a little bit, is that there's a good Samaritan with a team of people that want to volunteer to help him clean his property. It's my understanding that he says that he doesn't need her yet, that he had one person before, but I think that this is a much larger problem.
They'll help you.
Yes, sir.
If you,
I have to have somewhere to put it. The trailer in my yard, the dump trailer is full. That guy's been away for 6 weeks.
well, tell them to come and get it.
I did.
Listen to me.
He's telling me.
Take the help that the township's offering you. There's going to be no excuses next time. You understand? You do what you got to do, but I'm telling you right now, you've been in front of me on a multitude of occasions on this case, and I'm telling you, if you don't have that property cleaned up to my satisfaction in a compliance with the orders that I've issued previously, I'm giving you the other remaining days, whatever they are. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Take your photographs back, please. You can keep these and you can mark down what day they were taken so you can bring them next time and have updated photos. Thank you very much. Go down the hall, get your notice, sir. Good
Thank
luck. I'm telling you, I'm not going to do this again. Marcus Liddell Allen Jr., 25B149, 652 A and B.
So, to wrap up, today's courtroom was a masterclass in accountability and judicial patience. Miss Hunter Smith has a chance to turn her life around through sobriety court, but only if she commits for the right reasons. Mr. Boyd faces a final deadline to comply with decades of property violations or risk jail time. This case reminds us how the law balances second chances with firm consequences. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. You won't want to miss what's coming next.